These are common sights now at the internally displaced persons camp. Reports from the United Nations organization says 128 of these children die every day and 5 of them die every hour. How to change this story formed part of the discussions at the Senate plenary.
The Senate is disturbed that from January to May 2016, UNICEF has admitted and treated 2,530 children in Borno State for acute malnutrition, with a total of 47,423 children from Adamawa, Borno and Yobe were treated of acute malnutrition under the same period.
The motion enjoyed the support of many senators. They say now is the time to act to save the nation's young population from dying.
Time is not on our side, especially with the issues relating to small and helpless children that are malnourished, that need to be given proper and immediate attention. If not, a child that is facing malnutrition, if not taken care of immediately, you will grow up as a disabled person.
The Senate President approved the prayers in the motion, but is quick to add that pledges made towards the Victim Support Fund must be remitted to help give a meaningful life to the affected children.
We must ensure and address the federal government to find the money and provide so that we can begin to address this. And the committee that we have charged with the responsibility should kindly also follow up to see and ensure that the resolutions that we have passed today are being implemented.
The Senate Committee on Special Duties is expected to visit the affected areas as well as work with the executive to find a lasting solution to the matter.